Hi guys, today I want to play the new version of OutRun for the Amigas, and this is my actual CD32 with 0 accelerator, and I want to show you how great it runs in 30 frames, and it's fun to play. I think it's better than using it on an emulator. The music is great. You will see. The game is really fabulous, and I think everyone should play. Pay the developer. He gave the game for free, but you should pay him. And just find his webpage and pay him for the fabulous work he done. Look how great it runs. It's only a 0 accelerator, and so actually it's the base for this game, but it's really awesome. I really love the music. And the fact that he managed to squeeze more than 4 channels, because Amiga only has 4 channels in the hardware, but he makes them in such a way that there is more. It's the easy mode. Okay, to prove to you that it is a real CD32, this is my controller. So you can see. The music is wonderful. The game is arcade perfect. Really. It's really worth playing, even if you have just WinUAE, the emulator. But yeah, if you have any AGA based Amiga with 030 or higher, you have to play it. It's great fun. It's a game from 1986, but yeah, I recommend it greatly. Thanks and see you again.